What is going on, y'all? We are back. We are back. We back. We back. We back. I'm about to come through here, and I'm about to just do some coding while I'm up late, man. Get some coding in. Okay. Just make sure my sound working. Okay. Make sure my sound working. Good. Make sure my sound working. Good. Okay, man. I was doing some editing of this video I had earlier, but it was tripping. I fixed my audio though. That's the main thing. So, I'm still working on installing those MCP for Windows, y'all. I haven't worked on it actually since the last time, since yesterday. So I'm probably gonna be bouncing back and forth, bouncing around from these different projects I'm working on. And yeah. So let's get into this AI agent. And I did get to this composer, y'all. I'm rather just typing this composer. Um, I know I have an unorthodox way of learning how to code, and I plan to take a course or a class or something like that eventually. But right now, as it stands, I'm just gonna go with what I know. Just gonna go with what I know. Okay. And I can't go with much because I don't really know much about coding. But hey, it don't matter. I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'll get straight into it. So let's see what we got going over here. So I know for these trading bots that I want to create, I know I want 5 different agents. Okay. I want 5 different agents. So I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to say this. Let me share my screen with y'all. I want to create the following AI agents using, what am I using? Um, do I got my DeepSeek API key in here? I hope not. I don't think I have it on here. My DeepSeek API key. Let's see what happens. I help you create these AI trading agents. Let's restructure the code to implement these different agents type in a modular way. We'll create a new directory structure and separate files for each agent type. First, let's create a new directory structure. Okay, main.py, agents, risk control agent, exit agent, entry agent, sentiment agent, utilities, Web3 clients. Okay. Oop, I think that's my key. Y'all don't look at my key. I'm about to change that. Your Twitter API key, Discord token key, Telegram key. Okay. Web3 import. Da 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 da. This is just a start. Would you like me to continue with implementing the other agents exit entry strategy? Each agent will have its own specialized AI capabilities and will work together to create comprehensive trading system. This risk control agent have implemented focus on position size management, drawdown monitoring, AI powered risk analysis, portfolio exposure checks. For the next agents, we can implement exit agent. Yes, I would. Hey, we just gonna go straight for it, man. We're gonna go for the gusto. Do I need to accept this? Like what? Like, are you changing my shit or what? Yeah, I'm a little confused. I ain't gonna lie. Accept, 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 accept all. Hey, this might be easier than I thought. This is not learning the code, y'all. This is just me composing. But if I get the results I need, then I'll just get the results I need. We can go from there. Let's see. Let us see, man. It's gonna be interesting. I'm not gonna act like uh I know what this is saying, but I just wanted to go for the gusto. Like I said, let's just see what happens. If we just is the AI this powerful? Can I just tell it what to do and it just do it? This completes the implementation of all FEV agents. The strategy agent acts as the coordinator, making final decisions based on input on other agents. Key features included the sentiment agent gathers and analyzes data from multiple social media sources. The strategy agent validates decisions using AI to ensure consensus. All agents use the DeepSeek API for intelligent decision making. Risk management is considered at every step. The system can be easily extended with new data sources or strategies. Would you like me to add any specific features or modify any of the exit implementation? Um, yeah, I need a strategy to trade with, maybe using Auto GPT to develop strategies. I also need a way to check to back test before deploying. Look at that, y'all. We got some agents up in here, y'all. We got some agents. We doing the damn thing. You know? Let's see what's going on with this. The coder way. You heard? The coder way. The coding play. Let's see what they're talking about. Okay, let's see. I help you create strategy development using Auto GPT and add backtesting capabilities. Let's create two components. Strategy development agent, backtesting engine. First, let's create strategy development agent. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna accept it all. Y'all know what y'all doing? Let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Apply that to main. Let's do that. Save all. Yeah. Save all. The backtest results are if the backtest deploys strategy using the strategy agent we created earlier. The system can be extended by adding more sophisticated strategy generation capabilities, implementing machine learning for parameter optimization, adding more complex backtest features. Well, let's just run this thing. See what happens. The Python extensions automatically activates all terminals using selected environment, even when. How can I assist you today? Oh, shoot. Now what? Now what? Now what do I do? It did something. What do I do now? Let's see what happens. Let's create a main script to tie everything together and start using the trading agent system. Here's how you can modify the main by Pi file. Okay, let's do it then. Let's see. I mean, can you debug any problems in this? If there are any. Let's see. Let's see. Missing dependencies. Okay. Create empty init Pi files. Okay. Missing method in backtest engine. Accept all. I'm just going to repeat the process. Can you debug this, please? You know, we're just going to debug it and debug it and debug it and debug it and keep on debugging it, y'all. So what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do, man. We're going to keep on debugging this. Looking at the code, there are several potential issues that need to be addressed. First, let's add missing import and fix import paths. Meanwhile, okay. Backtest engine class is missing the core function action. Let's let the run backtest method. Okay, add validation call in main. Add error handling for API calls. Okay. Requirements. You change the result is just system start requirement. So run this. Run this. We running something, y'all. We just gonna keep running and running and running and running. All right, then run this. See what happens. I got this error. It's almost midnight, y'all. I did this at the last minute thing, man. I was just like, you know what? Let me just code something today, man. While I'm here, I gotta get on it, y'all. Gotta make sure I stay with it. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? That was weird. Okay, the error occurs because the import path for the config module is incorrect. Let's fix the imports in the strategy developer agent.py. Okay, accept that. You'll need to make similar import fixes in other agents files. Accept that. Accept that. Accept that. Also, make sure you have the proper structure within this py. Okay, I feel you. I feel you. Well, let's do it then. Let's run that. The Python extension automatically activates all terminals using the selected environment, even when the name of the environment is not present in the terminal prompt. Okay. I got this error. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all. We're gonna keep debugging this, man. We're gonna keep using this composer to see what's going on. Bug finder. I never even seen that. Well, let's see what's going on. Ah, I see the issue. Those were meant to be visual representations of the directory structure, not commands to run. Let me help you create the correct directory structure in Windows PowerShell. Okay. Or you can do it manually, creating these folders. No, I'll let you do it. Go ahead, Playboy. Create empty files, init.py, and trading agents. To create this files, right click new folder, create directories. I see that those are meant to be visual representations of the directory structure, not commands to run. Let me help you create the directories and spread those PowerShell. Okay, well, let's just do this again. Um, do you see any bugs or missing components from this code? Okay, risk control agent. Add error handling for API timeout. All right, y'all. I'm just gonna be here every day, man. That's all I know. I'm gonna be in here every day coding. Okay. Now this is definitely not the right thing to do as far as running gun. I don't think. I mean, it's not the worst thing to do. I'll tell you that. Let's just run it, man. Do we run it? Something went wrong. The error shows that the required packages are not installed. Let's install all the necessary packages using pip. First, make sure you're in the project directory and your virtual environment is activated. Okay, okay. Verify installations. NumPy. All right, let's run it. We running it. Uh oh, something went wrong. Something went wrong, y'all. Is this the beginning? Is this the new way to code, y'all? Keep debugging until you get it right. Is this the new way to code? I know coders are gonna hate me. You know what? They're gonna love me. This is perseverance right here, y'all. Let's update the config.py and send them an agent.py files to handle Twitter authentication properly. Okay. Something went wrong again. You know what? I want to try another way because I feel like I'm just getting deeper and deeper into this agent, and it's like, it's robust, like I said. And I'm like, I just need something. I just need to see something work. NumPy is not installing a virtual environment. Let's install the required packages. First, make sure your environment is activated. And Windows PowerShell. So I'll do this in PowerShell. Is that what it's saying? Okay. Oh Lord. Okay, well, looks like we need to first make sure your virtual environment is activated in Windows PowerShell. Copy. One more PowerShell at.